Welcome back to another interesting tech video. I hope you are doing well. So today, I am going to share an iPhone trick, which is setting flashlight as your notification indicator. You probably see this feature of iPhone in someone's mobile and thought of doing to your iPhone. So let's begin the video. To access that feature, you have to open Settings application in your iPhone, then scroll down and open Accessibilities. Here, scroll down again and find Audio Visuals. Here it is. Open it, and then scroll till end. Here, you have to turn on this toggle of LED flash for alerts. Now your iPhone will blink a flash whenever you receive any notification. So, this is one of the good hacks you can use in your iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.